Guys, so here we have the tail light which I've removed from my Zen, and I noticed that these bulb holders, they have like disintegrated over time. Like for instance, this one you can see here, it's all gone. And these are actually plastic, they are not bakelite or some ceramic material, so it just doesn't hold here. You can see it, and that's actually the condition for all the bulbs. It's all gone here, you can see. So you must be aware that getting all these for Zen is a little hard. So what I did was I tried checking what is the bulb holders on the Alto 800, and this is the part number for the Alto 800 cord assembly. They call it the socket cord assembly, and here we go. And the connector is also a match. I just checked. So what you need to do is you need to remove this grommet here, just pull it out, and you have this connector. It comes off. You need to connect the new one, which is, so you can see that the connector is same, and the innards as well. There you go. So let's connect this, guys. So this particular bulb, this is for the reverse signal, and I had to chop off a wee bit of that protruding edges, so it goes into this slot of the Zen's tail lamp, because the one on the Alto was not a direct match. It had 4 protrusions. So here you can see the 4 protrusions. So I had to chop it off a bit, but not to worry, because it's a perfect fit once it goes into the slot, and I'm going to show you how. And once it goes inside, just turn it and you're done. So it doesn't come off. And the grommet, the rubber grommet which is inside this one, it sits flush with the slot of the tail lamp, so not a concern, guys. So that is done. Now let us screw it back and see if all the lights are functioning as it should, and we'll repeat it for the other side. In fact, the other side also has some of the holders which are disintegrated. The rubber grommets have given up. Even the grommet is a perfect match. And now let's swap out all the bulbs. Clean these bulbs with a soft microfiber cloth, because you don't want your fingerprint or smudges on them. Oily smudges causes problems. Your bulb can get fused quickly. Once that's done, just insert them into their respective slots. So we have removed the right side tail light assembly. Now let me just show you that. You can see here this is completely disintegrated, and it's all gone. It is sort of become very powdery, and it got stuck in that slot there. So guys, we have completed the activity. Now let's go test all the bulbs one by one to ensure they are working properly. Now another thing what I did was I replaced these rusty screws with the tail lamp. They were almost out of the way, and the Phillips head was getting worn out, with these flanged bolts on both sides. So they fit perfectly, and absolutely no movement. and they are of size M6. So you'll need this is used pretty much everywhere in the car, so you can buy a bunch of these M6 bolts, almost the same length as that of these. So yeah, one more activity done, guys. We replaced these old tail lamp wiring harness. So let's take a look at the part used in this clip. This is a socket cord assembly, the wiring harness, and this is the exploded view diagram, part number 8. Thank you so much, guys.